Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Square with QuickBooks. First, you'll want to connect your Square account directly to QuickBooks Online. This integration allows for automatic data transfer, saving you valuable time. You can choose to import either daily summaries or individual transactions, depending on your preference for detail. Make sure to map your Square sales categories to the correct accounts in QuickBooks for accurate financial tracking. Once connected, your sales data will begin to sync. It's important to regularly review these imported transactions to ensure everything is accurate and categorized correctly. You'll also need to reconcile your Square deposits with your bank statements in QuickBooks, matching the payout amounts. Don't forget to properly handle any refunds or chargebacks, ensuring they are recorded accurately in your accounting system. A key part of managing Square with QuickBooks is correctly accounting for fees and payouts. You should record Square processing fees as an expense in QuickBooks to get a clear picture of your net revenue. Understand how Square groups payouts before depositing them into your bank account. Consider creating rules in QuickBooks to automate the categorization of these transactions, streamlining your workflow even further. To maximize the benefits, regularly review your profit and loss reports in QuickBooks. This provides valuable insights into your sales performance and overall business health. Utilize QuickBooks' robust reporting features to track specific Square sales trends over time. Maintaining consistent categorization across all your transactions is crucial for accurate financial analysis and making informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.